Hey guys, welcome back to another week of Mortgage Matters in Minutes. Again, this is our 108th episode, and we're continually going to bring you information. In today's episode of Unveiling the Mortgage Broker, what you need to know, today's video is going to talk about what it means to be a mortgage broker and what a mortgage broker can provide you, which is something completely different, in my experience, than maybe a credit union, a bank, a mortgage lender. And those are all very viable sources of individuals to get your mortgage obtained from. But specifically today, we're going to talk about what it is to be a mortgage broker and what benefits a mortgage broker can provide to you. So first of all, what is a mortgage broker? If you've taken any real estate classes or courses, know that a mortgage broker brings a lender and a borrower together and receives compensation. Mortgage lenders receive compensation, credit unions receive compensation. We all receive compensation nearly the same way. But a mortgage broker is an individual that doesn't work for just one company. I'm the owner of our company at Mortgage Specialist here, and I've been a broker for over 25 years. I enjoy being a mortgage broker because the markets change. I can choose to move where I want to send my loans for my clients. And it would be very similar to your insurance needs. Whether one insurance company might state we're leaving a certain state or leaving a certain kind of individual, mortgage lenders sometimes can do the same thing. We've just recently seen a large lender that's been around for many, many years decide they're not going to do a certain kind of lending anymore. So as a broker, we work with many different lenders and we get exposed to different processes, different rules, different steps. And I feel because of knowing those differences, we have a better understanding of the entire market, why something exists, and who can we go to when we have a specific situation, like a more challenging loan profile or a higher debt to income ratio, lower credit score, a certain job scenario, a certain credit scenario. We can move our loans to different lenders to make sure that we're providing our clients with the best service we can. We also, as mortgage brokers, work with all kinds of borrowers. Rumors through the years are that mortgage brokers only work with individuals with bad credit, and they have access to subprime loans. That's not all the case for every mortgage broker that exists. There's many different mortgage brokers in Omaha, and many are my friends, and we see on a regular basis through our local association, through meetings. But I can share with you that with most mortgage brokers, we're not only concerned with the people with challenging situations. We do have multiple options to go through, but I will tell you our business model here at Mortgage Specialist is to help all kinds of credit, but we fell into a little bit of a niche of helping higher end credit with people with larger down payments. But that doesn't mean we haven't helped all kinds that exist out there. So every mortgage broker does have a little bit different clientele, but we're not only focused on the more challenging loans or lower credit score individuals. We work on all clienteles. So again, because we work with multiple lenders, I feel that we are experts in many different processes, but that also follows through into our customer service. Because we know the rules and because we know what's going on with multiple lenders, we can plan ahead and predict what underwriting is going to ask for. And because of that, I believe when you use a mortgage broker, you yourself are going to save your own time, your own energy, and your own money because you're not having to spend as much time and effort on the process of sending in paperwork multiple times, of not being responded to when questions come up. All of those things as us, mortgage broker, we love to provide to our clients. For example, we only work on mortgage loans. We don't handle car loans or finances or insurance. We only work in the mortgage arena. So because of that, we're able to provide you a very detailed customer experience to get you the answers that you need, that you want. One unique thing about a mortgage broker is that because of the way that we get compensated, we can change pricing to get more aggressive on a transaction, or we can move around the pricing, whether you want to pay us up front or you want to pay us into the interest rate like most loans are. We can move around that pricing, and sometimes customers are going to be in their house a long time and they want to get paid or pay us for our time differently. The last thing I'll share with you is that mortgage brokers are in your community. The large mortgage lenders that are across the country are not in your community. They don't necessarily always care about you, but we do. We're going to run into you again, as we've always stated, at the grocery store, at sporting events, at your kids' school, in the community. And we want to be a representative of what is true and what is factual of a professional. And that's what mortgage brokers can bring to the table for you as a consumer. Don't be scared of the word mortgage broker. A lot of times that word has been used as a negative term after 2008. But if we look at the amount of loans that are done across the country, more than half of the loans that are created are done by mortgage brokers. Most of the lenders that are out there are smaller independent companies, just like we see in every industry. Small business runs the United States, and mortgage brokers are that small business that are here to assist and help along the way. Again, I'm Brent Rasmussen, owner of Mortgage Specialists. If you have any questions for us, please first like this video and subscribe to get weekly videos about what's going on in the mortgage and real estate arena. But you can always contact us via phone at 402-991-5153 or check us out on our website at mtg-specialist.com. And we'll see you all here next week. Have a great rest of your day. Mortgage Specialists. Driven, trusted, reliable.